And we are starting with some breaking news coming in at this hour. This is the latest scoop that we have gathered, that the Bharatiya Janata Party's Sarabjit Kaur has now been elected as the new mayor of Chandigarh Municipal Corporation with 14 votes. That's the latest update coming in right ahead of the Punjab elections, as well as the crucial update coming in of Inside Scoop that BJP's Sarabjit Kaur, that is Chandigarh's new mayor, has now been elected as a mayor with a total of 14 votes. We'll try to shortly go across to my colleague Amandeep as well, who is also closely tracking these developments. But that's the big update coming in as far as the election of the mayor is concerned, where we are witnessing as to how the Bharatiya Janata Party, Sarabjit Kaur, has now been elected as the new mayor of the Chandigarh Municipal Corporation with 14 votes. Let me also go across now to my colleague Amandeep, who has been closely tracking these developments. So Amandeep, a big update coming in as far as the Chandigarh civic polls is concerned, where BJP Sarabjit Kaur has now been elected as the new mayor.
Absolutely, Rija, and a major setback to Aam Aadmi Party as well. Just because Aam Aadmi Party claimed victory and claimed so many things they have claimed after getting 14 councillors out of 35. But BJP, despite having 12 councillors, they managed to win mayoral elections just because they have got 14 votes. And in fact, Congress was brushed aside and Congress party has been reduced for the voting of the mayor. And in fact, now BJP got 14 votes, Aam Aadmi got 13 votes, and in fact Sarabjit Kaur is from BJP party is the new mayor of Chandigarh, and even one vote of Kiran Kher that was also included in these 14 votes. And in fact one vote was being crossed from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party inclined towards the BJP. That is the reason BJP was able to make their own mayor in Chandigarh second time. Initially there were so many speculations and initially there were so many allegations from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party that BJP is trying to push their own councillors, but nothing has happened. BJP councillors remain in Chandigarh. Aam Aadmi Party councillors has been shifted to Delhi with the threat of poaching. Congress councillors left for the Jaipur. They were staying there, just a threat for the poaching. And in fact, now when the final vote happened, 14 votes turned to be for the BJP mayoral candidate and 13 left with the Aam Aadmi Party. And in fact, Sarabjit Kaur got the majority of the vote and now elected as a mayor of Chandigarh. So this is the latest development and a major setback to Aam Aadmi Party as well, just because they celebrated that 14 seats in civic polls of Chandigarh like anything. They came out with the victory parade as well in Chandigarh, thanking the people of Chandigarh for supporting and voting to Aam Aadmi Party, but they were not able to make their own mayor. Their political scenario is completely declining in Chandigarh. BJP, this is second time that BJP again came with the majority of the votes, and Sarabjit Kaur has been elected as mayor of Chandigarh. And in fact, now the Aam Aadmi Party is looking into the party scenario, that how it happened,
yes,
despite having 14 councillors on the party lines, how they got the only 13 votes, from where one vote has been reduced for the mayor elections. This is a major setback for the Aam Aadmi Party, that they, despite winning 14 seats, they got 13 votes for mayor position. Yes, Richa.
And stay with us, Amandeep. We have some more information coming in that there has been a ruckus that has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party councillors at the Assembly Hall of the Municipal Corporation of Chandigarh after Bharatiya Janata Party won that mayor election. And we have the first images on our screens right now of the same, because remember, Amandeep, this was a clear fight between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Aam Aadmi Party, even as the Congress opted out of the race, and AAP had fielded Anju Katyal and BJP had fielded Sarabjit Kaur, who has now won the mayor elections. Both of these are first-timers, as the mayor's post was reserved for a women councillor in this new MC House's first year.
This is a clear cut that now Aam Aadmi Party is completely upset just because they have fallen down in the mayor elections of Chandigarh. Just because despite having 14 seats, they got 13. And in fact, Ruckus is a clear cut indication that Aam Aadmi Party's political scenario is declining just because they claimed that Chandigarh is just a kickstart and the window will be open to Punjab as well. So now they are not able to prove in Chandigarh. How come they claim the Punjab elections also? Initially, they have claimed so many things into this entire scenario, but now all of a sudden every claim has been fallen flat, and even Aam Aadmi Party failed to make their own mayor despite having 14 seats, just because one councillor has been reduced from the Aam Aadmi Party and one councillor increased in BJP vote, and just because there were 12 seats. Let me tell you the figures. 12 councillors of BJP, 14 councillors of Aam Aadmi Party. And in fact, BJP is having one benefit of a local member of parliament. She can also vote in this entire elections. Then total 13 votes was with BJP and 14 was with Aam Aadmi Party. If the party-wise vote happened, if Aam Aadmi Party was able to materialize all their winning councillors into the votes for the mayor, Aam Aadmi Party could have made their own mayor, but they failed it, and BJP escalated and enhanced their councillors from 13 to 14 and got the mayor. Sarabjit Kaur got 14 votes, including 13 votes from the BJP and 1 vote from Aam Aadmi Party, that reduced from up and reached to BJP. This is how a close fight happened. BJP made so many claims. I beg to pardon, Aam Aadmi Party made so many claims and blames also that BJP was trying to poach their councillors by offering a huge amount of money, but that not happened. How many councillors has been shifted to the BJP? How many councillors has been shifted to the other party? And in fact, Congress was also under threat that BJP were trying to approach their councillors just to make their own mayor. But
all right, stay with us, Amandeep. We are also joined on the phone line by the Punjab Lok Congress leader, that is Preetpal Singh. Preetpal Singh ji, we have the latest update coming in that the Bharatiya Janata Party Sarabjit Kaur has now been elected as the new mayor of Chandigarh Municipal Corporation with 14 votes.
देखिए, एक खुशी की घड़ी है और अच्छी शुरुआत है हमारी। आज एक तरफ कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लगने जा रहा है और पंजाब और बाकी स्टेट्स की इलेक्शन अनाउंस होने जा रही है, और पहली जीत हमारी चंडीगढ़ से शुरू हुई है और चंडीगढ़ में हमने अपना मेयर बना लिया है। इस बार ये डबल इंजन जो पंजाब में है, कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह और मोदी जी वाला, ये पंजाब में भी सरकार बनाएगा। ये तो अभी झांकी जो कह रहे थे ना आम आदमी वाले कि ये अभी झांकी है, चंडीगढ़ एक झांकी है, पंजाब अभी बाकी है। तो हम बताना चाहते हैं, चंडीगढ़ वाली झांकी तो बीजेपी और अमरिंदर सिंह ने दिखा दी है, पंजाब वाली अभी बाकी है, और पंजाब में हम मिलके दोनों इस बार एक अच्छी और मजबूत सरकार बनाएंगे जो पंजाब के लोगों का भला कर पाएगी। और ये एक बड़ी जीत है, और मैं सबको, अपने जितने भी साथी हैं और बीजेपी के लोग हैं, उन्हें मुबारकबाद देना चाहूंगा इस चीज पे।
Alright, धन्यवाद प्रीतपाल सिंह जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Let me also go across now to BJP leader Harjeet Grewal also joining us over the phone line. Harjeet Singh जी, सबसे पहले आपको congratulations है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी Sarabjit Kaur has now been elected as the new mayor of Chandigarh Municipal Corporation with 14 votes.
धन्यवाद आपका, शुक्रिया. और मैं ये समझता हूँ ये चंडीगढ़ के लोगों को भी बधाई है, चंडीगढ़ की भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को बधाई है, और जिन्होंने चंडीगढ़ को बचा लिया, क्योंकि ये आम आदमी पार्टी जो है ये विकास की दुश्मन है और शांति की भी दुश्मन है. इससे चंडीगढ़ बचा लिया है और अब पंजाब को भी बचाना है लोगों ने. हम पूरी जान लगा के इस बार बचाएंगे, और मैं समझता हूँ कि पंजाब में भी एक अच्छी सरकार आएगी, मोदी जी की लीडरशिप में विकास करेगी, और चंडीगढ़ में भी डेवलपमेंट उसी तरह जारी रहेगी, क्योंकि नहीं तो उसमें बाधा आ जाती है. केंद्र और जब स्टेट का, जब यूटी का तालमेल वाली सरकार बनती है, तालमेल वाले लोग आते हैं, तो वो डेवलपमेंट वहाँ पे होती है. और अब चंडीगढ़ का भाग्य अच्छा था कि अब आने वाले समय के लिए ये विकास उसी तरह जारी रहेगा और चंडीगढ़ की खूबसूरती को और चार चांद लगेंगे. ये चंडीगढ़ के लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और चंडीगढ़ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को भी बहुत बहुत बधाई, और चंडीगढ़ की जनता लोग को भी बहुत बहुत बधाई.
और साथ ही साथ हरजीत सिंह जी बताइए किस तरह से दिस इज सर्टेनली अ बिग बूस्ट कमिंग इन फॉर द बीजेपी राइट ahead of the Punjab elections as well. Meanwhile, we are witnessing as to how the Aam Aadmi Party workers are also staging a protest and creating a ruckus while there has been a BJP election and BJP mayor's election.
देखो, आम आदमी पार्टी ने तो झूठ बोलना होता है और नाइंसाफी करने के लिए अपने आंदोलित रहती है, तो इसलिए उनको हम क्या कह सकते हैं? उनकी बातें उन्हीं को मुबारक है, तो उसमें क्या हम जवाब दें? वो लोकतंत्र जो फैसले होते हैं लोकतांत्रिक, उसको भी बर्दाश्त नहीं करते। उनको तो सत्ता चाहिए किसी भी हालत में, इसलिए वो इस तरह आंदोलित हो रहे हैं। वो उनको नहीं होना चाहिए और इसको सह लेना चाहिए। ये जनता का फैसला है, जनता का फैसला लोकतंत्र में मान्य होता है सबको, इसलिए मेरी प्रार्थना है उनको कि उसको मान लें। उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद होगा और लोकतंत्र की भी रिस्पेक्ट होगी और इट इज डिसरिस्पेक्ट टू डेमोक्रेसी।
All right, before we go back to Amandeep and Harjeet Singh, before we let you go as well, help us understand how big a win is this for the BJP? Because remember, the Aam Aadmi Party has been a tough competitor for you as far as the Chandigarh civic polls is concerned. Meanwhile, Congress had already opted out of this entire race. All right, so that was the latest reaction coming in from the BJP leader. Remember, Bharatiya Janata Party's Sarabjit Kaur has now been elected as the new mayor of Chandigarh Municipal Corporation with 14 votes. And we have the first images coming in on our screens right now from... But before that, we have some more breaking news coming in at this hour that after staging a protest, the Aam Aadmi Party is now all set to in fact stage a protest and address a press conference at 2 p.m. this afternoon. So at 2 p.m. we are expecting the Aam Aadmi Party to hold a news conference because remember, they are questioning this win of the BJP's newly elected mayor Sarabjit Kaur. Let me go back to Amandeep now. Yes, Amandeep, at 2 p.m. the Aam Aadmi Party, after staging a protest, will now be addressing a press briefing. What are their issues at this point?
Basically, they have certain bunch of allegations to made against the BJP. That is why they have called the press conference after this mayor elections. And in fact, now they will start blaming BJP again just because BJP was able to manage and able to win the mayor post of Chandigarh. And in fact, Aam Aadmi Party failed to do that. So that is the reason. Just because earlier also, Richa, they made certain kind of allegations against BJP to post their own councillors, but that not happened. And even now again, Aam Aadmi Party has called the press conference to just justify their defeat, to just specify the situation, how they failed to make their mayor despite having a complete majority of 14 seats in civic polls of Chandigarh, and despite claiming so many things in these polls. And in fact, now the press conference will be entirely based on the allegations against the BJP. Now, Aam Aadmi Party has left with the allegations only. BJP won and BJP proved on the ground of the Chandigarh in the civic polls. Despite having 12 seats, BJP was able to materialize their all councillors to the mayor post. The Aam Aadmi Party failed to do that. All it happened in Chandigarh. Congress has completely reduced. Initially, Congress was trying to tie up an association with Aam Aadmi Party also, but that was not materialized just because both the parties controlled by the Delhi High Command, Aam Aadmi Party from Kejriwal and Congress from the High Command. So that not materialized. So that is the reason. So now Aam Aadmi Party has left only with the allegation. They will reveal so many things that how Aam Aadmi Party failed, and in fact also they are going to allege BJP for this entire defeat. But the fact of the matter is that now again BJP has made their own mayor in Chandigarh. Sarabjit Kaur from BJP party is new mayor of Chandigarh. This is the fact, and now Aam Aadmi Party will try to justify their defeat just because they have done a pomp and show after winning 14 seats in Chandigarh civic polls, and even it was a debut for them also, and a victory parade by the Kejriwal. So many celebrations was happening in the Chandigarh by Aam Aadmi Party workers and leaders. Raghav Chadha was every second day holding a press conference and leveling allegations against BJP and showing their victory sign that they will definitely make the mayor post, that everything has been fallen flat now. So they will definitely justify their defeat and also certain kind of allegations against BJP just because they have left only this.